Hey guys, long time no see. It's winter, it's cold, not doing much in the garage, not doing anything DIY, so I haven't been doing too many videos, but I've got a quick one for you today because the Alfa Romeo, the windshield washer fluid wasn't coming out, and I'm going to take a look at that in a minute, but yesterday I was filling it up and the reservoir was full, so maybe just the nozzles are frozen or something like that, so we'll figure that out. But while I had the hood up, I noticed both coolant reservoirs in the Alfa Romeo were pretty low. And so I'm going to throw some more coolant in here, but I wanted to show you. You're going to look at this and be like, Chris, what the hell are you doing? You're not taking care of your cars. And you are correct. I'm not taking care of my cars. But when I saw this, how low the coolant is, it's a miracle that the Alfa Romeo was still running. Anyways. All right, so we're under the hood of the Alfa Romeo here, and it actually, I learned that there's two coolant reservoirs, and from this angle, I'm guessing you can see exactly where they're at. It's these two like milky containers on each side. I think one's for the main engine and one's for the turbocharger to keep that in shape and cool as well too. But you can't really see the minimum and maximum lines on here, but suffice to say the minimum is like probably about there, and we're pretty low, and I think the max is there. And on this one, a similar type thing. I got to get my flashlight out, but there's a minimum on there. So I'm going to pop these caps off and put some coolant in there. The coolant we're using, I got at AutoZone, and it's specifically says Alfa Romeo on it, Fiat 2008 and newer, and it's the pink stuff. I think it comes, there's another color, like maybe purple as well too, but or orange rather. But anyway, specifically went in there and said, hey, what kind of coolant do I need for the Stelvio? And this is what they said. So I think we'll be good there. And I got it pre-diluted antifreeze ready to use, so I don't have to dilute it or anything like that. Just save me some time and complexity. So gonna get that poured in here. All right, here we go. I do not have a funnel, so I'm just going to wing it. All right, the minimum is up to there, actually. So, and we don't have. All right. All right, so there's the minimum line right there, and the max is really close to it too. So. And when you take this cap off, it leaves under pressure, so you could hear a little the air escaping. You'd never want to do this when it's hot. And then the min max on this is pretty low down in here. The min is at the bottom, and then max is right where my finger's at. So we don't need a ton in here. We're at the minimum now. All right. All right, so there we got it. We filled this back up. We filled that one up. There might be a leak, but I'm not sure. We'll just keep an eye on it. I've never seen coolant on the ground. And probably once it gets warmer in the springtime, we'll just keep a look at the levels and then see if they go down, and then maybe inspect a little bit closer in the springtime.